If the oven in your oven-microwave combo won't bake evenly, here are the 5 most probable causes. When you select the bake function, the oven control allows voltage to travel to the bake element, closing the circuit and causing the element to heat. A malfunctioning element could result in uneven baking. You can often determine that an element is defective by checking for visible breaks or blistering. You can also use a multimeter to test the element for continuity, a continuous electrical path present in the part. If the element tests negative for continuity, it will need to be replaced. Models that have an electronic control board will use a sensor to monitor the oven temperature. When the selected temperature is reached, the oven control shuts off voltage to the element. This cycle repeats throughout the cooking process to maintain the proper temperature. If the sensor is faulty, the voltage to the element may be shut off too early or not at all. You can use a multimeter to measure the sensor's resistance at room temperature. The meter should display approximately 1100 ohms of resistance. If not, the sensor should be replaced. If the sensor shows accurate resistance when tested, the oven control board itself could be malfunctioning. While the board cannot be easily tested, you can inspect it for signs of burning or a shorted-out component. The oven control on some models is switch-based with a thermostat and sensing bulb assembly. Similar to a control board and sensor, the thermostat monitors the oven temperature and will shut off voltage to the element when the selected temperature is reached. If the oven temperature is off by more than 40 degrees Fahrenheit once preheated, it's likely that the thermostat is defective or has lost its calibration, making it unable to assess the oven temperature and regulate the voltage accurately. If you are unable to recalibrate the thermostat, then the entire thermostat control and sensing bulb assembly will need to be replaced. In a convection oven, a motor drives a fan to circulate air inside the oven cavity to maintain a consistent temperature. If the fan motor is damaged, the oven won't bake evenly. If the fan blade is difficult to turn by hand, it's likely that the motor bearings are worn out. You can also use a multimeter to test the motor for continuity to determine if the part has failed electrically. All of the parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your appliance to find the specific replacement part that will fix your oven-microwave combo.